everyone and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we are going to create this. First of all, open this PSD file. In this file you will get background image. Download link is available in description. Now unlock the white layer and delete it. Double click on this layer and rename it to background. Now again lock the background layer. Now select text tool and type your text. Now adjust its position. Hold Shift plus Alt key while you resizing it. Now press Enter to deselect. Now change the text color from Properties panel. If you don't see Properties panel here, you can go to Windows, and enable this Properties panel. Now change the text color to white. I am using Mermaid font for it. Now convert text layer to smart layer. Now double click on smart layer. Use crop tool to change the size of our smart layer. Hold Alt key while resizing it. If you hold the Alt key, it will resize from center point. Now save the smart layer. Now right-click the text layer and open the blending option. Now click on Bevel and Emboss. Select Style to Pillow Emboss. Now you will be chisel hard. Increase depth to 100%. Change the size to 10%. Now change the angle to -160 degree or find your own good angle. Now enable the contour and do my changes. Now click on Gradient Overlay Effect and do my changes. These color codes and make gradient like me. Now click on Pattern Overlay and add this pattern. Download link is available in description. Now enable satin and do my changes. Enable inner glow and do my changes. Now enable outer glow and do my changes. Open the smart layer. And now create a line here using rectangle tool. Create a new layer. Select brush tool and fill it with black color. Now duplicate the line layer. Now save the smart layer. Now our gold effect is almost ready. It's time to create 3D shadow effect to it. Duplicate the text and click on Rasterize Layer Style only. Don't click on Rasterize Layer. I have done this by mistake. Now copy this layer. Now click Ctrl plus T to get transform control. Now slightly resize the text layer to 1 pixels and press enter. Now hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift key and press T to repeat the process. This will duplicate the layers and also change the text size to 1 pixel. As you see here, we have nice 3D effect to our text layer. Now select all these layers, and press Ctrl plus G to create group. Rename this group to 3D. Now open blending options and select color overlay effect and change its color to black. Now add some drop shadow effect to it. As you see, our retro gold effect is ready.